Hi guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. I do meal prepping every weekend for my lunches for the week. Always easy, simple, healthy recipes. So I have been really into soup this winter. It is definitely that cold time of year. So I'm gonna make some, it's a creamy chicken and rice soup. I'm gonna make it in my Dutch oven. I made this for dinner last week and it was a huge hit and I've been craving it again ever since. So it's gonna be my meal prep for this week. So I'm gonna get this all cooked up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of healthy meal prepping and meal planning videos on my channel. So let's get this lunch all made up for the week.
So first I'm going to chop up the celery and the carrots. So I'm going to use, I get these celery sticks in these little packets. It's actually cheaper at my store to buy them this way. So I always like to buy whatever's cheapest. So I got these little packets of celery. So I'm going to dice these up. I'm going to dice up the carrots also. And I'm going to put the recipe for this that I used in the description box. So you can have all of the exact measurements that I used. So I have my Dutch oven and I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to add in all of my chopped up carrots and celery. I'm going to let these cook until they start to soften. So I'm going to let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, I just get this already minced up garlic. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can definitely mince your own. And I have half of a chopped onion. So I'll add all that in, and I'm going to let this cook for another about 7-8 minutes until the onion and the garlic start to get nice and cooked. All right, everything is starting to get nice and soft. I love how everything cooks super quick in the Dutch oven. So I have Better Than Bouillon, and I use this for my chicken broth. So I've made 4 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to let this cook again. And then once it's cooked, I will be adding in the rice. I will let that cook in there, and then I will add in the chicken. This is really easy. I think soups are really easy, especially in Dutch ovens. So it's really great this time of year in the winter to have lots of soups, and I love it for lunch. Nice and filling and warm. I'm always cold, so I love soup when it's cold out. All right, so this has been cooking now. And I'm going to add in, I have heavy whipping cream to make this nice and creamy. I love creamy soups. So I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of rice. I'm going to put the lid back onto my Dutch oven, and I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. So making sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pot, but the rice is getting nice and cooked. So now I'm going to add in my chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts that I diced up, and I like to cut them a little bit on the small side. Helps them cook super quick, and it's just really good to have it nice and small in soups. So I'm going to put the lid back on this, and I'm going to cook it for about another 8 minutes. And then this soup will be all ready to go. Super filling and really, really delicious. You can add salt and pepper also. I don't usually add a lot of salt and pepper, but definitely you can add salt and pepper to this one.
All right, so this soup is all done. I'm gonna portion it into my mason jar so that is portioned out, ready to go for each day this week. So good and so filling also. Nice and hearty with the rice and the chicken. So really good. All right, so these soups are all ready to go. I will put the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make it. Like I said, it's so delicious. I had to make another batch of it. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're having a great weekend. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.